I find it very interesting the way that it's almost instinct to kind of cower away from something you're not familiar with or something that you're not prone to be able to take that fear on and start, I think is a way that will help anybody grow. Like, there's no running away from it. My name is James Beeman. I've worked for Bronxton for the last year doing driving, just transporting goods from store to store, from store to the warehouse, and then occasionally making runs to pick shipment up. So I was proposed this new cool opportunity here at work. Dan wants to teach me to weld and learn to use all the machines in the shop there so that I can help with this cash wrap that he's finishing up. Definitely a little nervous about messing something up on my part or doing something to ruin the project so that we have to start all over or something. Gonna find my way with that and see what we can make happen with it. When my little brother and I were younger, we were placed in the foster system. I think that I've been put in a lot of uncomfortable situations, but after that it was a lot easier to be able to manage something because nothing for me has ever felt that big or that scary. That equipped me with a lot of perseverance and the ability to kind of do what I can, break it down, and figure out how to conquer it. I'm proud of myself for seizing the opportunity that was given to me. I was able to help the store finish a project they've been working on. I was able to learn a new skill that I can utilize for the rest of my life, and now I've got something to show to everybody saying this is what I did.